G'day, it's the lawn expert here. Okay, I'm on leave for a few days down here in Canberra en route to Barmedmund in the middle of Riverina, on the way to West Wyalong and then back home to Sydney. Anyway, we're stopping in Canberra to visit my daughter, number 1 daughter, and I'm doing a road trip with my number 4 child, another daughter, and so we had a nice night out last night. But I wanted to do a quick video. I'm so proud of my number 1 child, a girl, a 25-year-old girl who is taken to lawn care like a duck to water. So I'd just like to show you the lawn here. Her back lawn is a fescue lawn, and she's got it completely weed free, and it's well fed with a good, well balanced fertilizer. So I'll just show you a quick look of the lawn, and so proud of her efforts. Okay, we'll check out the fescue. Okay, so we can see the back lawn of my daughter's unit, townhouse here in Turner in the ACT, and most of the grasses around Canberra are cool season grasses. They tend to just, this is what you see a lot of is fescue. And anyway, the lawn expert Mark II is doing a fantastic job here in Canberra, so I just want to give her a shout out, and let's just see if she's inside. Hello, Mel. Say hello to me. Say hello to me, Mel. Hi! This is my beautiful daughter. Okay, we'll see you later, guys.